Hey Todd, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that's certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips that I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was in fact helpful for you. But we'll go ahead and get started here. The three things I'll go over today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and that's going to be anything you can see on your site here. That does also include the pictures and what the pictures are saved as well. Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words on a home page. So I would suggest adding just a little bit more content to your home page, and it will give you more of an opportunity to add in those keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. You want to integrate those into that content. That way Google will read it and know that, this is the service you provide, and that's kind of the first step on getting ranked to Google. But that is all that I have for you there. We'll move on to the next thing, which is citations. And I did just a quick Google search here of power washing in your area. And the first thing you'll see is this section. This is called the map pack, and that has a lot to do with citations. So a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directories, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Yelp, really anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in those business details and services. So you would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed. And you would, of course, want to grab those listings for yourself. But you also don't just want to stop there. So for instance, say that your top competitor has 10 directory listings. You want to grab those 10, but then you want to, double, triple, even quadruple that. So if they have 10, you want to get 20, 30, 40, 50. And that's going to help you to really dominate them in that space, but it will also help to rank high in the maps here as well. So moving right along to backlinks, and that has a lot to do with this section underneath the maps. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a site out there that has a link to your website, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to your site. But their link is going to be, you guessed it, all about ice cream. So it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other, pressure washing companies. I know you all do some other things as well. So you would want to get something that is kind of industry relevant. And that is going to be a lot more unique, but a lot more powerful in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. So I did pull up one of the tools that I use here and put your site into it. It's not showing a ton of data for you right now. It's showing that you have one referring domain, which is giving you one backlink, and you're getting found for 6 keywords, and that's pushing, about one person to your site per month. And I did pull up one of the competitors as well. So they're showing 64 referring domains, which is giving them 240 backlinks, getting them found for 37 keywords, and driving 6 people to their site per month. Let's see if we can see what kind of keywords they're using here. And we're looking for buyer intent keywords. So that would be anything that someone is going to think to actually type into the search bar when they're looking for your services. We'll also pay attention to this column here. This number represents how many times this word or phrase gets searched for monthly. So this is actually a great one. Power washing, Monmouth County, New Jersey. So this is good because it lists the service or the industry, but it also lists the area that this company is trying to target. And it looks like they're trying to target several different areas. So power washing brick, New Jersey, house power washing, New Jersey, gutter cleaning, Monmouth County, New Jersey. So I won't bore you and go through all of these, but this at least gives you an idea of the kinds of things that you would again want to work into that content on your site. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. But as I mentioned earlier, you don't ever want to stop there. You want to far surpass whatever it is that your competition is doing. That is what's going to get you to that first page of Google. And also it's going to make it very difficult for your competition to even keep up with you at that point. So that's really all that I have for you today, Todd. I hope that this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more about Duck Digital Marketing and how we can help to grow your business via your online presence, please do reach out to us. We would love to talk to you about that. And I thank you again for your time. You have a great week ahead.